Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here class 8, we will discuss on the topic that is the laws of reflection. As we know that laws of reflection has 2 points. First one is what actually? When we are talking about that the incident rays and reflected rays are the angle of incident and angle of reflection, that is reflected angle and incident angle. When we are talking both, that can be a point on which the reflections may be happens. So reflections play a very significant role for the formation of the image. In that we can say there is a ray or the light ray which is most important in that cases. For the formation of any image, reflection must be play a role. So here we can say if there is an object placed as a plane mirror or any object on which these rays are strikes. When the rays strikes, it cannot penetrate by which it can be go through. So it can bend in its original position. When the light ray come, it hits up the surface, and due to this other medium it could not be proceed. So what would be this happen? So there will be it can bounces back to its original position on its own original medium as well, you can say. And this will happens only the two laws. What are these laws? First laws, right? Laws first is what actually? The first law is stated that here is angle I and angle R generated. Why? Because this generated? Because of that, when there is a light falls on any object or hits any object, so it is what it is, we can say the incident ray. This might be termed as A and B. This point considered to be O, and this is what actually? This is the normal. So if the light rays falls on any object or any reflecting object, it should not be penetrated, so it will be returned back, bouncing back to its original position. Then there will be a perpendicular line obtained perpendicular to these reflecting surfaces obtained in the center of the reflecting rays and incident rays. This one is called reflected rays. This is reflected ray. So here will be the perpendicular, the normal stand over here. So the angle formed in between the incident ray and normal, that is called the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence, or it is called as a incident angle. And these angle which forms here, that is said to be the angle of, or it is reflected angle. It is said to be reflected angle. Now here is the law created as the angle of incident and angle of reflection must be equal. If there will be the reflection takes place, there will be chance of reflection due to one reason, that is what? The angle of incident or the incident angle is equal to the reflected angle. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So this, if it is followed, then there will be the reflection happen. If it is not followed, the reflection could not be happen. The next rule is said, that the incident rays, the reflected rays, and the normal lie on the same plane. What are these? The second rule or second law is that the incident rays and the reflected rays and the normal lie on the same plane. This is what? This is the mirror and this one is the plane. It is the plane or it is the surface on which the light strikes. So we could say that this one is the plane. So the incident rays, the reflected rays and the plane lie on the same, and the normal, right? And the normal, these normal lie on the same plane. Then there will be the reflections happen. So these criteria, these two criteria takes place by which there will be the reflections occur. Next one we will talk about next one we will have to discuss about, that is optical image. What are these? The optical image, to which we can say the optical image, it is said to be either it is real or virtual. Might be it is real or virtual. So what does mean about that the optical image? What is the optical image called? We can say the reproduction of light rays that might be reflected or refracted. If the reproduction of a light rays got refracted or reflected, and which affects or which differs from the other one, through which if the conversion takes place or if there is a diversion takes place, that image is formed due to either the conversion, either the diversion. So that one is considered to be as optical image. Or in another word we can say, when there is a reproduction of a light rays takes place, after the refraction or refraction or reflection, what will be happen? Which differ from its true position. After being reproduction of the sunlight or the sun rays or the rays, if after getting refraction and reflection, if it is differ from the true, so that one is called as it is differ from its true position, so that one is called as the optical image. So in optical image there is a two type of images formed. First one is a real image and second one is virtual image. How these images may form? Real image and optical image. First one is real image. How these real image forms? If you have placed yourself in front of the mirror, you can see there is a image formed that are as real as you, same size, same characteristics can be drawn, and this image could not be placed on any screen, or you can say, sorry, in case of a real image, this image is considered as the image which can be projected on the any surface on any screen. So the real image is such a type of image that can be appears or that can be placed or projected over the screen or any other type of a level, or you can say any screen it can be represented as the actor and actress represented in a movie, in a cinema. So this image can be represented at the this can be represented on the hall or the cinema hall in a screen. So that one is a form of a real image. So the real image can be projected on a screen, but the virtual image cannot. You know that real images formed in front of, or you can say in front of the mirror. Real images always form in front of a mirror, but the virtual image cannot be formed on the front. This can be formed behind the mirror. So what will happen if you have placed yourself in front of the mirror or a plain mirror? What will happen? Your figure or your image formed in behind the mirror. Why? Because it cannot be screened or it cannot be projected on a screen. It cannot be go through the screen. So these are the basic differences. In these two images, there are, in case of a real images, if it is the position, so the rays which is actually intersect to one another, the rays actually intersect to one another, then the image formed. This type of a image is said to be real images, and if the image could not be placed on the screen, that means this image only seems to be or appears to be either meet or intersect, but it actually not intersects or meet together. Why? Because if there is an image formed, this could be formed only by this could not intersect to one another. This feels to be or this appears to be intersect, but actually it cannot intersect to one another. So on that basis, it could not be placed on the screen. Why? Because it could not be placed on the screen. So this one is the way by which we can represent it about that the optical images. Optical images might be two types. First one is a real image, second one is virtual image. Real image is of the same kind and as the erect, always it is found as that type of object that is taken, same type of the image can be formed. In case of it is found in a inverted, So this is the basic type of the optical images you can see. In other words, formation of image in the plane mirror. How the image formation takes place on the plane mirror. So in that sentence we can say here about that the image formation takes place by the plane mirror. Formation of image. Formation of image formation of the image on plane mirror. Formation of image in the plane mirror. Formation of the image in the plane mirror. How this could be formed? This could be formed as of a point. This could be formed of a particular point. How it is? This can be considered to be as, suppose if it is normal and this one is the incident rays, this is incident ray, that one is reflected ray. If it is a point known as A, B, so that might be measured as point O. And here is the normal, and you can say this is the this place as a normal and maybe measured as it could be measured as the normal. This is measured as a normal. So here image formed can be of same type. So this could be placed here. So it can be said that it is an incident. This is the reflected ray. Which one? OB is a reflected rays and OA is a incident rays. And N that is represented as normal. And here is the mirror. It is the plane mirror. How the image get formed? This image get formed because of that particular rays happens. This one is called as incidence rays, or this one is the incident rays and that one is reflected rays. So this could be the image formation takes place on where this image formation will take place over here about a point, that is if it is formed over here, so this could be formed just approx to the here. Okay, we will later discuss on it.